What is it?
I don't know.
What's that?
Is that a dirty zebra?
Well, it kind of looks like a zebra.
Let's go find the name, Jax. Jiro, you don't need to go there. Huh? What's that? Where?
Turtle!
Oh, it's a tortoise.
Then this. That's capybara is there. Capybara.
What's that, Beb? Ano daw yan? Doubled, what? Waddled cassowary.
Those are in Australia.
Wow. Oh, it's a white tiger. Ooh. Where's he going?
Isa white. Akit na ba?
Because.
Sabana.
Ooh. Look. Jax, look it. He's so big.
They live in.
What you find, Jax? Philippine deer.
Si Premot. Unang anak. Ano yung anak niya? Zebra.
Look it. He has a baby.
Anak na.
Hindi, that's a Philippine deer.
Deer.
What is that?
Chicken.
A
Chicken.
That's not a chicken. Rat.
Should be really easy to see, right?
Stretch.
The giraffe.
Where? Oh, right there.
Where's the giraffe though?
Giraffe.
Yes, there is.
Stretch. Yeah, you can ride a big one. You want to try it? Are you ready to see a lion, Jiro? It's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, no running. Oh, lion! Look at him. Wow. Looks like they're taking a nap. You're gonna see different birds.
We're looking for birds.
I see one.
Where? Ooh.
I see different colors.
That colorful one over there.
Yeah,
That's cool.
that's white one.
Oh, that's a pretty one over there. What is that?
Wow. It's over here.
What is it?
White
White-eared
eared brown fruit dew.
fruit dog.
Oh, Daddy, that's the bird that was on the billboard.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, why did it have a?
Boy, you found the Palawan peacock. Right there. The one in the corner. That one. Ta-da! You can barely see it. Jiro, it's a Philippine swamp pet.
Wow.
Swamp pen pala.
Those are cool. Wish I could see those.
Okay, what is
Daddy,
it?
This one's only found in the Philippines.
Nice. It is only found in the Philippines.
Diet, fruit, insects, beetles, and earthworms.
Yeah. That's a directed hornbill. Only in the Philippines. You see it? I know. There's 1, 2, 3. I think hawk yan, hawk.
Alligator.
Was it alligator or crocodile?
That's huge.
That's huge right there.
Big one. Can you see this one? Yung itim. Malaki.
What?
The closest thing to a dinosaur in the whole world?
Looky.
I thought it was a Komodo dragon.
It looks like a Komodo dragon.
I don't want to know.
It looks a bit. Oh, look at that one. It's moving.
Oh yeah, that's a bird.
Oh my goodness. Ang laki na, Jax.
Wala pumipikit.
Jiro, look.
Look at those teeth. Daddy.
This is the one that will tear you up.
Yep.
These are crocodiles. Do you think you...
Crocodile.
Dang. Which one of us do you think he thinks he can take on?
He's looking at the little baby earlier. This one.
Yeah, probably the little baby. Probably you.
Jiro, come on. Wow. That's iguana.
I don't know.
I think that's a iguana. Jax, it's a monitor lizard. Look. Monitor lizard. Oh, andyan pala. It's following Jack's hand. Look it.
It is. Likes me.
Look.
Do better. Yeah.
Yan ang python ng Philippines. Reticulated python. Also darker, no? Hi. Look, what's that? Come here. Psst. Where is it, Jax?
I want to see the film.
Mm-mm. Yeah, they preserved it. Look how pretty and colorful, right? Oh, there's one right there. Huh? Oh no, Jiro, that's not it. Jiro, that's not enough money.
Kulang, G.
Jiro, your money is not enough. Piso yung napulot niya.
Give that one, give that one.
Yan, say thank you po. Come on.
Ito ah.
Jiro, look. It's looking at you.
Look at it, Giro.
Look. Jiro says, I'm taller than you. Come on.